Hello friends, today we are going to see how we can remove duplicates from an array. So let's look at the example first. Suppose this is the array. Okay, this is the array. It has 10 elements. Actually 11 elements. We are starting from the 0 index. 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, 7, 3, 6 are the array elements. Now look at this. What are the duplicate elements? Here as we can see 2, 2. Okay, 2 comes twice. Now also 4, 4, it also comes twice, and 7 and 7. Okay, these are the elements that are duplicates. Here see 2, 2, 4, 4, 7 and 7. So what do we want? The final array, the answer array should be like, there should be no duplicates present, like this is the final array. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 6. This is the final array. Okay, this is what we want. So how we can do this? Let's look at the code. Okay, first of all, initializing array and n. Array, it has 50 elements. You can define it whatever you want. See out how many elements, it means how many elements there should be in an array. Here input n. Now enter the elements of the array. This for loop will enter all the elements of the array. Now this is the main part. See out after removing the duplicates. This is the processing part, main part. This is processing part. So int, this is for loop, int I is equal to 0 while I is less than n, I increment. Okay, here the second loop, inside this I loop there is a j which will start from I plus 1. If this is 0, this will I plus 1, that means 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1. Here it will see if the ith element of array is equal to the jth element of array, which means if both are same. So what we have to do? We have to do while j is less than n in array j, we have to put the value of array j plus 1. Look here. See, these 2 and 2, they both are same. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to first of all put the value here. The 2, they both are same. Okay, so this will, now as you can see here, in the array j we have to put the value of array j plus 1. What will it do? See, if you will put like this, array j, this is the j, this is array j, and this is j plus 1. Okay, this is j plus 1, 4. So what we have to do? We have to put the value of array j plus 1 in array j. So this value will be put here. Similarly, this is for loop. This value will be put here. This value will be put here. So and so on till n. So what will it do? Look here. It will overwrite. Okay, because this was a duplicate. What it did? It replaced the value of 2 with 4. Okay. So what will this value be? This value be now 4. Similarly, this value be like 5. Okay, it is removing the duplicates. This is 5 now. This will be 4 like this. Okay, so and j plus plus for the next element, j plus plus. Okay, while j is less than n. Now when this loop is over, while loop is over, what we have to do? We have to decrement n. Why? This is very important. We have to decrement n because when we will overwrite all these values, the duplicate will be removed and it will be shorter. Okay, the length of the array will be smaller. Okay, because one array element is removed, so it will also smaller. It will also make the array smaller. Here at last 10, it's not 10, it will be 9 at last. Okay, because this 2 was removed and all the array elements were shifted towards left, so this is not present at the last. That's why we are doing minus minus I, or if else condition is if these both are not equal. So we have to do nothing, just continue and look up for the next element. Now this for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, we have to output the array, the new array. So the new array is, after removing all the elements, the new array will be this. So just run the program and see if we are correct. Okay, how many elements? See, total 11 elements were there, 0 to 10, 11 elements. Let's write 11. Okay, what are the elements? Here 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 4, 7, 8, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3 and 6. So the output should be, this should be the output. Let's check. After removing the duplicates, as you can see, what is the output? 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 6. See, okay, and this is the same output as we were expecting here. All the duplicates are removed. There are no 2s, no 2 4s or no 2 7s. All the duplicates are removed. So this was a very easy program on how to remove duplicates in an array. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you friends.